Hello students, I hope you're doing well. We have just made a live YouTube video for this particular information, but you may or may not get to see it, or maybe because of the video quality, there could be some issues. So I'm just quickly informing you how and what are we going to do. We are obviously coming up with our amendment lectures that we should come within like 3 or 4 days, max to max a week. We'll have a proper amendment lecture of the amendments notified for November 2020 attempt by ICI recently. Okay, and the most important thing for which we came together, we came live and I've informed everybody. And I hope you all get this, and please share this message as much as you can. So the thing is, I have made my revisionary lectures available free of cost on YouTube for past 5 months. So all through this lockdown, I've been trying my best to help all of you, and you've all taken the best out of it. You have expressed your reviews on it, you've expressed your love, you've expressed your gratitude, and it's really good to have responses. So it was going very well. But for the last 10 to 15 days, I've been coming across certain things which are quite disturbing. And that is, I came across things like there were people who were downloading those videos and uploading it on their channel. That's okay. Obviously, you can put a copyright claim on YouTube and restrict them from doing that. But still, you have to keep a track, and that's okay. That even if they do, it's okay with me. Okay. Then there were some more things which have really disturbed me. Is that people downloaded those videos and started monetizing them. There are people who are selling those videos on pen drive, and there are remote areas like, as you know, I mainly operate in Mumbai. So outside Mumbai and various parts, now currently I am having students all over India, and I have students from Africa, like Uganda, Africa. People are messaging me. There are in Nepal, there are students in Dubai. So there are people everywhere who were liking those videos. But misuse happened in remote areas of India. There were students who messaged me, called me that मैम आपका जो 2000 वाला वीडियो है वो एकदम लेटेस्ट है ना. And I was like, कौन से 2000 वाला वीडियो? And then I got to know there are certain things happening that people didn't know they're freely available on YouTube, and they were paying for it. And also those areas where they pay 2000, it's a whooping sum for them. For them 2000 was a bigger amount. So all that I could do was, we decided to take them off YouTube. And I spoke to the encryption people. Like, we have encryption for our normal lectures, right? And being video lecture people, encryption kya hota hai. Okay, so now up tak you were watching it on YouTube. Now I've got them encrypted, and you will watch it on your phone only, but in our mobile app. Okay, now I feel like, हाँ मैम encryption मतलब limited views मिलेंगे ना? नहीं. As I told you, ASC is always there to help you. So हमारी तरफ से ये videos आपको होंगे from me to you n number of times till November 2020 attempt. तुम जितनी बार देखना चाहो, जैसे तुम YouTube पे देखते थे, तुम वैसे ही उसको जी भर के देखो as many times as you want. Obviously, the views initially that you will get will be 1, 2, 3. You can bindas let us message us and let us know that हमारे views खत्म हो गए. Increase it. I'll increase it till November 2020. As many times as you want, you can watch them. Okay, there is no limit of number of views. It is just that I want only genuine students to be watching it, and no misutilization of it, which it is actually really sad to know such things are happening. It's that you think क्योंकि हम अच्छे हैं तो सब अच्छे हैं, but it is not so. So one thing that you need to know is there is an app called ASC Virtual. It's available on Play Store. Within few days it will be available on App Store also, because we've done all this एकदम जल्दी में as soon as we got to know. तो Play Store पे भी आज ही announce हुई है, like on 24th of August I'm making this. So it's been announced on Play Store also today itself. It got listed. So हो सकता है वहाँ से नहीं डाउनलोड हो. तो YouTube पे जो वीडियो है मेरा इसके बारे में इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट है, उसके नीचे टेक्निकल पर्सन का नंबर है, प्रोसेस है, क्लास कोड है, दैट हाउ डू यू क्रिएट योर अकाउंट. वंस क्रिएटेड योर अकाउंट, देयर इज वन थिंग दैट यू विल हैव टू डू, दैट्स एनक्रिप्शन चार्जेस. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. एनक्रिप्शन के लिए एनक्रिप्शन वाले को मुझे पैसे देने पड़ते हैं, विच दे हैड आस्क्ड फॉर 500 रुपीज़, विच यू ऑल्सो नो कि कहीं भी एनक्रिप्शन 500 में होता है, विच वी ब्रॉट डाउन टू और 50. This is completely encryption charges, which you can just find out, and this is the nominal fees that you will have to pay to get access of those lectures unlimited number of times till November 2020 attempt. Okay, so how do we go about this? You download that either from APK file or from Play Store, because Play Store the app is crashing currently, so you can download APK file. Then you create your account. In creating your account, normally you'll need a class code. Okay, that class code I have put up there as a comment under YouTube का lecture. उसके नीचे यू गो एंड वॉच दैट. जैसे ही आपका अकाउंट क्रिएट हो जाएगा, वंस यू मेक द पेमेंट, यू लेट मी नो. वंस यू क्रिएटेड द अकाउंट, यू कैन व्हाट्सएप ऑन 9768350383 एंड वी हेल्प यू फॉर रेस्ट, एंड देन वी अलॉट यू द लेक्चर्स एन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स टिल यू वांट. I hope you understand. Currently, I am into a low mood because I just got to know all this, and I felt bad that people are misusing this, and that too, those people who don't know. So I felt bad about it. So 450 is the bare minimum you can pay, guys, for these lectures, and they're completely going to the encryption cost. And if you're like, okay, if we download the videos, you get money. If you download the app, I get money. Then that's not so. The app is also of the encryptor. It is not for me. It's just in my name. So this is the best way I can help you. You will still get access to all these lectures. Don't you worry. But through that app, so that everybody cannot misuse it. There are people who've still downloaded them and already misusing. अब उनको तो मैं रोक नहीं सकती. But for you, this is what I have. All the very best. Hope to see you all very soon. And do share this video as much as you can. Okay, thank you so much.